Hello students, today we are going to discuss our lecture number 10 on operating cost of tractor. So myself Mukesh Sitpal, Assistant Professor, School of Agriculture, ITM University, Gwalior. So what is today's outlines of the lecture is first is cost of tractor, fixed cost of tractor, variable cost of tractor, and some calculations, numerical problems, and one assignment. Actually, this is not only for tractors, but if we purchase any implement also, for that we can calculate the operating cost of any implement also. Estimating the cost of tractor or any implement. So under the cost analysis, suppose we operate our tractor on the basis of 200 rupees or 300 rupees per hour. So how can you calculate that we have to operate tractor at which cost? So that is calculated by cost analysis of the machine. Okay, so this will give you an idea of payback period of investment, means how many years, after how many years the money that you have spent on tractor or any implement will be payback to you. Okay, so this cost serve as a basis for fix up higher charges of the implement for custom hiring. Means if anyone hire your tractor and implement, so you have to fix a definite cost per hour, so that the investment that you have made on the implement or tractor, that will be reimbursed after a certain period of time. So there are two cost of operation of implement or tool involved in cost analysis. So number one is fixed cost and number second is variable cost or operating cost. So what is fixed cost? So fixed cost is that cost which can occur regardless of whether the machine is used or not. Okay, so means this is the cost that is always on the owner if you operate the machine or you are not operating the machine. Suppose you have purchased a tractor. Okay, if you have done an investment of 5 lakh rupees for purchasing of a tractor. If you don't give it on higher basis, you will not get any income. Okay, so the fixed cost is the cost that you have to bear if you using a tractor or not using a tractor. Okay, so fixed cost is the cost that is occurred regardless you are using the machine or not using the machine. Suppose like depreciation, if you purchase a car at a cost of 5 lakh rupees and when you sell that car after 1 year, that will give you 4 lakh rupees. So 1 lakh rupees is the annual depreciation in the cost of your car. So that depreciation is always associated when you use a car or not use a car. So that is the cost that is fixed. Interest, if you purchase your tractor or car from the loan, in the loan, so you have to pay the interest on the money that you take loan from the bank. Okay, taxes, insurance cost or prices are always taken by the government if you use the tractor or not. So these costs that I will discuss in the brief manner in our next slide is, and second is variable cost or operating cost. So variable cost or operating cost are those costs which are related to the amount of use. Okay, when you use any tool or machine, so the cost that is associated with your tool or implement, that cost is called operating cost or variable cost when you use a machine or tractor or tool. Okay, so like repair and maintenance. So if your tractor is in running condition, then repair and maintenance will be needed. If you don't use a tractor, then repair and maintenance of the machine is not needed. Fuel cost: if you run a tractor, then you need diesel. If you don't run a tractor, you don't need a diesel. Lubricants: you fill oil in engine if you run the tractor. If you don't run the tractor, you don't have to fill lubricants. Servicing and labor charges: if tractor is not operating, then why can you give the labor charge? So if your tractor is in one working condition or work in some farmer's land, then they have the operator cost or labor cost you have to pay. So these costs are those costs which are pay by you only if you operate or use the machine or tool. So firstly we will discuss depreciation. Depreciation is the reduction in the value of machine with passage of time. Okay, suppose we buy a tractor at a cost of 5 lakh rupees. After 1 year, if I want to sell my tractor, then anyone gives me 4 lakh or 3.5 lakh rupees. Then 1 to 1.5 lakh is the depreciation in the cost of tractor after 1 year. So the value of any machine or tool is reduced with the time, so that is called the depreciation. And one thing that is mainly used, that is called obsolescence. What is obsolescence? So obsolescence is the state being occurred when a person, object or service no longer wanted even though it may still in good working order. So suppose your bike is in good condition, and if you want to sell your bike, but no one have the requirement of bike, so your bike is in good condition but no one wants your bike for purchase. Okay, so obsolescence is the occurred when a new technology is introduced in any sector. Okay, so the old services or old things are not required in the present era. So a new machine may become obsolete because the development and improved model change in farm practice occurred. Okay, so due to that, obsolescence may be seen in future. When a new technology come, then old technology will not be purchased by any one of people. So how to calculate the depreciation cost of any machine? So that is calculated by a formula: D is equal to C minus S divided by L into H. So D is the depreciation cost per hour. After 1 year, 1 hour operation of tractor, what is the depreciation cost of tractor after operating 1 hour? Okay, so that is calculated by C. C is the initial cost of machine. Like you purchase a tractor in 5 lakh rupees, so 5 lakh is the C, and S is the salvage value, that is equal to 10% of the initial cost of the machine. Suppose you have buy your tractor in 5 lakh rupees, then 10% of 5 lakh is 50,000. Okay, so C will be, S will be 50,000 rupees. L is the life of machine that you have using. So if I buy a tractor, the life of tractor is always about 10 year. Okay. H is the number of working hour per year, how much hour you operate your machine in 1 year. So for tractor we take 1000 hour per year. Okay, so the value of H will be 1000. Next is interest on investment. So in interest on investment is the farm machine, a cost that money spent in buying a machine cannot be used for the productive enterprises. Suppose you have buy your tractor in 5 lakh rupees and you give 2 lakh rupees to the company and 3 lakh rupees loan amount from the bank. For 3 lakh rupees you have to pay the interest to the bank, whose charge varies from 6 to 10% for the various banks. So you have to calculate what interest price is associated with per hour operating cost per hour in per hour of operation of tractor. So that is calculated by a formula. I is equal to C plus S divided by 2 into I divided by H. So I is the interest per hour and small I is the percentage rate of interest per year, means how much interest rate is taken by bank from you, and I is the interest per hour, means how much interest amount per hour is on you. So you have to earn that interest amount in each hour working of tractor. Here annual purchase price A is calculated by taking the average of initial investment, initial purchase price C plus salvage value S divided by 2. So that will be average purchase price of your machine. Tax, insurance and housing. So you have to pay some tax amount when you buy your any agricultural implement or a tractor. So it is taken as 1% of the price of your machine. Means suppose you have buy your tractor at a cost of 5 lakh rupees. So 1% of the 5 lakh rupees is 5,000 rupees. So 5,000 is a tax per year that will be paid by you to the government. Next is insurance. So the insurance cost is taken by insurance companies, so that will be also 1% of the cost of the machine or tractor. So that will be also 1% of 5 lakh is 5,000 rupees per year. Or housing cost means if you buy your tractor or implement, you have to buy or take a home for putting the implements or tractor in a room. For that housing amount is also equal to 1% of the original cost of tractor or implement. So it is also 1%, means 5,000 rupees. But we are using our tractor 1000 hour per year. Okay, for 1 hour the cost will be 5,000 divided by 1000. So that will be 5 rupees per hour for tax, 5 rupees for insurance and 5 rupees for housing. That will be the cost of tractor in per hour basis. So if you want to calculate the total cost in tax, insurance and housing per hour total, so it is also calculated by a formula 3a divided by 100 into h. So a is the average purchase price and h is the number of working hour of tractor or implement per year. Okay, next is variable cost. So first the variable cost is repair and maintenance. If you are using a tractor or implement that in working condition, due to wear and tear, the parts gets fail and renewal of new tire tubes, and in some accidents you have to pay some cost for the repair and maintenance of the tractor. So it is estimated that you have to take 5 to 10% of initial cost of the machine per year will be the repair and maintenance cost of the tractor. It means you are changing the tire, changing the oils, changing the filters. Okay, so that all the cost are in repair and maintenance of your machine. So 10% of 5 lakh means 50,000 rupees, or 5% means 25,000 rupees. So between 25,000 to 50,000 is the repair and maintenance cost of your tractor per year. So if you are using your tractor 1000 hours, so that will be 25 rupees to 50 rupees per hour will be your repair and maintenance cost of your tractor. So it is also calculated by a formula 10c divided by 100 into h, where c is the initial cost of the machine and h is the number of working hour per year. Next is fuel cost. Means suppose if your tractor consume 5 liter diesel in 1 hour. Okay, so cost of 1 liter of diesel in market is about 80 rupees. Okay, and in 1 hour 5 liter diesel is consumed by your tractor. So 5 into 80 will be 400 rupees is the cost of fuel per hour operation of the tractor. Okay, so that is calculated by a formula fuel cost is equal to quantity of fuel in liter per hour multiplied by the cost of fuel in rupees per liter. Next is lubrication cost. So lubrication cost will be taken as 30 to 35% of the fuel cost. Okay, suppose 400 rupees is your fuel cost. Okay, so the 30% of 400 will be 120 rupees. So 120 rupees will be your lubrication cost of the tractor. Okay, so that is calculated by a formula oil cost is equal to 30 by 100 into oil quantity of fuel consumed per hour in liter per hour multiplied by cost of fuel in rupees per liter. So 30% of this cost. Next is operator cost. So if tractor is operated by operator, then we have to pay some definite amount of money per day to the driver. Suppose we are giving 160 rupees to driver for per day working, and you take a 8-hour working period from them. So it is estimated that per hour cost of operator will be 20 rupees per hour. Okay, so 20 rupees is the operator cost of the tractor. So that is calculated by a formula number of person engaged. If you are taking one person, then write 1, and if you are using 2 persons, then write 2. Wages per day, how much amount of money that you are giving your operator per day, that is divided by 8. So by this formula you can calculate the operator cost of your tractor. So this is a formula, this is a numerical problem. Find the cost of using a tractor per HP per hour when the cost of 35 HP tractor is 3 lakh rupees. Life of tractor is 10 year, interest rate 10%, working hour per year is 1000 hours. So depreciation cost D per hour is calculated by C minus S divided by L into H. So C is the initial cost of the tractor, that is 3 lakh, and S is the 10% of C. So this is C and 10% is 10 divided by 100. 10 divided by 100 means 0.1, so it is multiplied by 0.1, divided by L. L is the life of tractor, 10 year, and H is the working hour, 1000. So by calculating this you will get 27. So 27 rupees is the depreciation cost of your tractor in per hour. And interest rate I is equal to C plus S divided by 2 into I into H. C is 3 lakh, plus, here will be plus, S means 10% of 3 lakh divided by 2 into I value is 10% interest divided by 100. Why? Because 10 is in percent, so 10 divided by 100, and I it is also divided by H, and H value is 1000 hour, so we write it in the denominator is 1000. So here the interest will be 16 rupees and 50 paisa per hour operation of tractor. Next is housing, insurance and tax. So that will be also 1% of the cost of the tractor. So 3 lakh is the cost of tractor. So 1% of 3 lakh will be 3000 rupees, and we are using our tractor 1000 hour in per year. So cost of housing cost will be 3000 rupees per year, and we are using 1000 hours per year. So 3000 divided by 1000, that will be 3 rupees. So 3 rupees is the cost of housing per hour. Similarly, for insurance and taxes, the cost will be 3 rupees per hour. Okay, now total cost will be, this is depreciation, this is interest, housing, insurance and taxes. That total will be 52 rupees 50 paisa. Now operating cost. So firstly, fuel cost per hour of tractor. Suppose your tractor consumes 6 liter diesel per hour and the cost of diesel is 24 rupees per liter. Okay, so fuel consumed in per hour will be 6 multiplied by 24, so that will be 144 rupees that you are spending on per hour operation of your tractor. Lubrication cost is 30% of fuel cost. Fuel cost is 144. 30% of 144 is 144 multiplied by 30 divided by 100, so that will be 43 rupees 20 paisa. Next is repair and maintenance cost. So that will be 10% of your tractor purchase price. So 10% of 3 lakh will be 30,000, and we need repair and maintenance cost per hour. So how much hour you are using your tractor in a year, that is 1000 hour. So 30,000 rupees is in 1 year. So for 1 hour that will be 30 rupees. So 30,000 is divided by 1000. Okay, so you can also calculate the formula that I have given to you. Next is operator cost per hour. Suppose you are giving 150 rupees to your driver for operating tractor. So 150 is divided by 8 means 18.75 rupees per hour. So the total operating cost, this is fuel cost, lubrication cost, this is repair and maintenance cost, and this is your operator cost. All cost will be 235 rupees 95 paisa. So total cost will be fixed cost plus operator cost. So fixed cost is 52 rupees 50 paisa and operating cost is 235 rupees 95 paisa. So total cost will be 296 rupees 45 paisa for operating your tractor. For that you have to ensure that for higher basis you have to give your tractor at a price greater than this price to reimburse all the cost of your tractor that you have to pay. So cost of tractor per HP hour, so this is per hour cost. So per HP your tractor is 35 HP, so it is divided by 35, so that amount is 7.89 rupees per HP per hour cost. So for you, suppose you are purchasing 40 HP tractor, so it is this is multiplied by 40 to get the cost of tractor for 40 HP tractor. Okay, so on the basis of that you can calculate the cost of tractor. So these are the some assignments that you have to do. This is for bullock pair, stationary engines, tractor power. So you have to calculate the cost, total cost per hour working of these implements or bullocks or tractors. So there is assignment, you have to explain the different cost of tractors. Learning outcome. So the learner may aware about the various costs that is included in tractor operation per hour, and these calculation help him to calculate the operating cost of tractor per year. That will decide is tractor purchasing is beneficial to the farmer or not. So these are the references. So thank you so much.